This video will show the installation of the v4.0 Remote PHY DWDM modules into the 2-rack unit NG4 chassis. First, identify and inspect the new module and verify the correct channels for use and the condition of the module. Once all the information has been confirmed, make sure to file the test report for future reference. Locate the correct chassis that the module will be installed into. The modules will be installed from the rear of the chassis. Move to the rear of the chassis and locate the access tray in the 2RU chassis that the module will reside in. With the front-facing connectors going in first, slide the module into the access tray and align the module's left and right snap clips over the access tray snap latches. Snap the module into the access tray by pushing down on the left side, the right side, and most importantly, the snap-in latch underneath the center of the module. Once the module is installed in the access tray, slide it forward with the access tray door actuator. Once the module has been installed and the access tray has been closed, half of the module will protrude from the rear. This is normal. Remove the rear access tray door by pulling down and away on the door until it detaches from the chassis. Remove the door spring from the door hinge. Move to the front of the chassis to continue installing individual patch cords into the module's MDC duplex bulkhead connectors. Prepare the module for patch cord installation by removing the protective cap on each bulkhead connector that you're going to connect to. Using an approved dry cleaning tool, such as the US Connect IBC style MDC cleaning tool, part number 22046, clean both the patch cord end faces and the bulkhead end faces. Generally, 2 or 3 clicks will be adequate to clean any debris from the end faces. Once cleaning of the bulkhead connector and the patch cord is complete, insert the duplex MDC patch cord into the bulkhead. The correct orientation of the duplex patch cord is such that the black key tab is on top. If you need to change the signal flow or the transmit-receive orientation of the patch cord, do so by grasping the connector body and pull back on the black key tab. Once the black key tab is pulled back, rotate the connector body 180 degrees and then slide the black key tab forward over the body until it snaps in place. Once the patch cord has been installed into the module, route the patch cords through the boomerang clip, around the access tray handle, and through the gray cable guides on the side of the chassis. Using the vertical cable management troughs, route each patch cord to the appropriate DAS switch SFP port. This completes the installation of the Remote PHY DWDM module into the NG4 2RU chassis.